Hi everybody, today now in this video I will tell you how to open your project for the first time. So at first I will use my Unity hub, this one, and I will click here. For example, now he is opening Unity hub. Here it's my project. Maybe you can see this is have another scene, but here I will click new project, for example. Now he will give me some choices like 2D game, 3D game, and another styles of game. Maybe I can make 3D mobile game, but here I will use this 3D game, and I will click here. Also I will rename my project from here. For example, I can write here, for example, my 1ST game. Here I will choose the location of the game. So I will come here and I will make, for example, new folder, and here I will rename the folder for game test. Okay, I will choose the location. Now I can create my project. He will open the project, but maybe it will take a lot of time because he is preparing, as you can see, the file and project. If I will enter, I can see my first game, and here all folders and files, I can see it here. So what is assets and library and temp, and what is this? I will tell you when I will build the game. Now I am waiting to finish this. As you can see, it may takes 1 minute, maybe can take a lot of minutes. Now I can see this is my Unity program and this is my game. I will build here the game. This is my workspace. Here I can see my components. Okay, everything I will put in the game I can see here in this area. Here is my modifying area. I will add my scripts, I will add my options and settings from this area, and here I will add the component of my game. So it will be important that when I will add something, I will add this here. For example, if I want to enter this asset, and here packages, okay, and here you can see everything in my scene. Here console, when I will make a script, I will see if I have any problem or errors in my script. He will give me the error here in this area with console. So also here, this is my area, this is a 3D game, so I can move my game right and left using this the scroll of my mouse. Also, if I want to move from here, if I want to move with eye camera, I can use the right click. I will click in the right button of my mouse, and I will move right and left, as you can see. Okay, and also I can move the scroll to see front and back, to go front and to return back like that. Also I can do the same from here. I can see this is my axis, Y and Z, and this is my X. So if I want to see like the game, for example, here I can see the eye of the camera. Can you see the camera here? This is my camera. So if I want to enter something here, I can go for game objects, and I can use, for example, 3D objects, and I will take a plan like that. Also So if I will see, the plane is very far from my camera, so I will use this axis to move my plane like that. Okay, and I will now go for the game. I couldn't see anything. Yeah, yes, it is very far. Now I can come down. Now I will go for the game. I can see my plane like that. Okay, here I can put my game. For example, if I want to see from here, I can. If I will click here, I can see everything. I can move my camera like that, and I can scale the plane with this option. I can scale with this option. Okay, scale tool like that, and I can choose the camera. Now I can see my scene. How to set up my game and my game size, I will do it in the next video. So thank you very much.